Hey guys, so I'm just here and I've just filmed my food haul. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a vegan food haul. And like my hair is actually like so annoying today. It just keeps like falling, but anyway, it's okay. But I'm just about to cook up this Wicked Nana's mushroom bolognese. See, because when I do these food hauls, like, I mean, I think it'd be cool, like, to show you, like, me making the stuff as well and eating it and just seeing, like, if it actually tastes nice, you know? But I've had this before and I know it is delicious, so I just thought I'd show you it now. And it's actually really easy to make, like, the instructions are all on the back. So it just says, right, here it is. Just microwave for 4.5 minutes, and that's it. So I'm gonna go do that now. You have to like open it slightly and just rest the lid on top of it when you put it in. It's just, I don't know, this is how it is. Hey guys, and good morning. So I know I clipped off me making my food last night. It's just that I even had the camera ready to go when the food came out the microwave, but I was just so hungry that I didn't even think. I just went to the sitting room, put on Modern Family and ate it, and then when I ate it I was like, no, when I was coming to put it into the dishwasher I was like, oh my god, I totally forgot to like vlog that. But anyway, we're just gonna move on. But it's a gorgeous day today. It's like really starting to feel like autumn, and I love it. Like, this is my favorite time of year, like autumn, winter time. Like, it's just, I'm living for it. So I've done a lot this morning. I have a lot to do today. I'm not in Galway this weekend, which, you know, I'm kind of sad about, but you know what, we'll get past that. Yeah, so what I have to do today is I have to edit, but I have to edit a video. It's a food haul one, which I recorded last night when I came in from town. I have to record a video. Well, like, not the face, well, I might get the face part done, but like the behind the scenes of the video, if you know what I mean. It's decorating in The Sims, so I have to, like, you know, it's updating, the game's updating at the minute, so I have to like record me building the house and decorating it, and I have to do like the screenshots and stuff. And then I have to do like the talking over, so I have to like render it on the computer and then put it onto my USB and then bring it over to my laptop so I can like watch it and like talk over it, if you know what I mean. I know it's so crazy. But yeah, so as I have to say, what I've done so far is I've had my breakfast, I've had a coffee, 2 coffees, I've washed my sheets from my bed, I've took them out of the washer, I put them out to dry, I've cleaned my room, I've cleaned the kitchen. I need to clean the sitting room now. Like, that's the next thing I have to do. But like, before I do, look, like, I mean, look at this. It's fine. I'm not gonna panic. Okay, that's like so much better. But also I was up in Dean's room today just looking at the carpet, and I banged my face off the door because like the bed's like here in the doorway. I was trying to get through, and this happened. So yeah, I know. I also just want to show you guys this beautiful floral arrangement that my mom made. Like, is this not just like the most beautiful thing ever? Like, it's all these different like flowers. They're not real flowers, so like also it will last so long. Like, I love these ones. They're so nice. But I just think she is like so talented. Like, I mean, wow. Like, look at this. So it's so nice. Like, it's so gorgeous. For those of you who are wondering what it looks like inside, this is what it looks inside. I was gonna just go and eat it, but then I was like, no, James, you know what? You have to show your people like what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like inside. There's like chocolate chips and caramel and I'm so excited. You know what, guys, it kind of tastes like cookie dough. I know, it's as magical as it sounds. For those of you who don't know, this is my temporary car. That's what I'm driving for the past 7 days. I miss my car. Okay, well, I mean, this isn't the best angle, and it's okay. No, it's not great, but like, hold on a second. So I'm just leaving to go to work now, and it's so cold. Like, I'm actually freezing. Let me check what the temperature is. Oh, 9 degrees. Seems colder than that though, to be honest. But yeah, this is my temporary car. I'm driving this for the past 7 days because my car took back to the garage because some electronic thing stopped working. Like, you know, you put the key in, like it stopped recognizing it or something like really silly, like something real small, but like it just triggered a whole like glitch out in the car when we tried to start it. So that went back. It's been off for 7 days. I really miss it. So I've been driving this for the past 7 days, and I'm hoping I'll be able to pick up my car this evening or tomorrow evening. But tomorrow evening's Halloween. I don't want to be like driving like at night time on Halloween night. Like I mean, I don't want to get like, you know, I don't know, like it's kind of creepy, isn't it? But life has just been crazy the past week. Today's Wednesday. I'm supposed to be uploading a video today, but I'm not because I didn't get enough time to edit it. And the funny thing is, I've had it recorded for a week, but like within that whole week I just haven't had time to edit it, like to sit down and edit. I don't want to just rush a video either. Like, I don't want to just, like, you know, spend a couple hours on it and just throw it up. Like, I want to be able to, like, you know, be proud of it. You might get that, but like, yeah. So that's just what I've been doing, like, you know. So, and I have a living room that I'm doing up. It should be done by November, mid-November. I'm just waiting for the couches and stuff to come, like all like the kind of smaller things I ordered. I just need to get like some more decorate, like, you know, accessories, like, you know, vases and books and stuff like that. So I'm going to there this evening. If I can't go up and get my card this evening, I'm gonna go there and like get like the curtain posts put up and everything, and we'll just mark out where they're gonna go. And yeah, that's just been it. I recorded this part, like this talking last night, but oh my god, oops. And this is a manual, by the way, so like I counted about 20 times coming down the road from Leitrim or Longford, like Longford, I think that's where I picked it up. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you in a bit. Oh, that's probably better lighting, isn't it? Like, if I lean forward instead of back in the shadows. But you know what? It's okay. We're not going to panic. I'll check in with you guys if anything else exciting happens. And also, after this living room, I'm starting a new bedroom. So you're not going to get that transformation this year, I don't think. Depending on when it's finished, and I don't want to put it up in December because December is such a busy time anyway, that I have other videos I put up in December that are exciting and cool. So I'm probably going to put it up in January, so kick off the new year with a bang. Yeah, it's really exciting, so I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm just going to close off this vlog now. I was going to show you some behind the scenes of the new project I'm doing. It'll be hopefully ready and finished by the 14th of November, and then like I'll film it and do a video on it and put that up, like, you know, a couple of weeks after. So yeah, it's all exciting. Like, just expect another room transformation this year. I might have two. Don't know if I'll put up the other one this year or wait till January next year, but you know, that's all to be decided. I feel like this vlog was a lot of me just talking to the camera. Like, it's like you guys were my therapist for the past few weeks. Yeah, life is crazy. I read my horoscope for this month and it's all supposed to be amazing, except the 5th of November, so I will definitely come on here on the 5th of November and just let you know how I got on that day, because apparently my patience is supposed to be real short that day, and to not like, and apparently, you know, it'll be easy for me to fall out with someone that day, so I'm just gonna like breathe my way through it and try to get the other side alive. But like, other than that, apparently like November is the year to be, like the month to be in Aries, because everything that's gonna happen is going to happen. So yeah, and same with 2020. So if you haven't checked your predictions yet, like definitely go like check them out, because it's really fascinating and it's really good for your mind as well to have that kind of knowledge that like everything's gonna be okay, and whatever shit you went through the past month, it's all gonna be amazing in the next one. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.